Good day everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we are going to talk about gradable and non-gradable adjectives. Have you ever wondered why we say very tired but not very dead? Or why absolutely amazing sounds natural but absolutely good doesn't? If you want to sound more natural and confident in English, stay with me until the end of this video and find answers to these questions. We'll also have a free grammar quiz at the end to help you practice what you have learned today. Let's get started. Suppose you have heard the strange name gradable and non-gradable adjectives. What do these difficult words mean? Let's have a look at some examples. This cup of coffee is very expensive. This cup of coffee is quite expensive. This cup of coffee is pretty expensive. Very, quite, pretty are words which made the meaning of the word expensive stronger or weaker in these sentences. So many adjectives are gradable, which means that they can be used with some adverbs to show different levels of quality. Using these words, we can decrease or increase the meaning of the adjective. There are some common gradable adjectives: happy, big, small, fast, slow, friendly, important, rich, poor, strong, weak, cold, hot, funny, boring, and the modifiers: a bit, slightly, quite, very, pretty, extremely, rather, reasonably. For example, this soup is a bit spicy for me. The bag is quite expensive in that shop, so I found the same one slightly cheaper online. This meeting is extremely important, so try not to be late. Today is a very hot day, but it's still pretty nice to be outside. Some adjectives are non-gradable, which means that they don't work well with adverbs such as very or extremely, because these adjectives describe absolute state rather than varying degrees. But these types of adjectives can be used with non-grading adverbs such as absolutely, completely, totally. There are some common non-gradable adjectives which describe an absolute state such as perfect, impossible, dead, correct, wrong. In addition, some non-gradable adjectives describe the extreme degree of equality, such as awful, terrible, gorgeous, delicious, amazing. These adjectives are typically modified with adverbs such as completely, absolutely, fully, totally, utterly, really, almost. For example, this project is absolutely impossible to do. I could not make a phone call because the battery was totally dead. That movie was utterly awful. I wouldn't recommend it to anyone. I was completely exhausted by the end of the week. Please compare. Very tasty. Absolutely delicious. Quite beautiful. Absolutely gorgeous. A bit big. Totally enormous. As you can see, I have used absolutely delicious, absolutely gorgeous. But I would not usually say completely or totally delicious. This shows that not all adjectives match well with all modifiers, so be careful. Gradable adjectives are sometimes used with non-grading adverbs, and vice versa, to add special or humorous effect. For example, this pizza is completely delicious. Delicious is non-gradable, but completely is often used informally for emphasis. This cake is really perfect. Perfect doesn't usually need modifiers, but really perfect is often used in casual speech. I hope this explanation was useful and helpful, and to check your understanding, please follow the link in the video description for our free grammar quiz. If you found this video valuable, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. It really helps us out. Thank you for watching and see you next time!